Yeah. Gio, before we go to that to us coming back in the third quarter, one of the talking points that we were discussing on the show before decided during our preview episodes really was NU doesn't have the Final Four pedigree. There's the crowd, the players, the program that we do, and we were hoping that maybe that pressure will get to them. Do you think that's a factor in us overcoming the number one seed NU in this situation?
I do think it was a big factor for us. Remember, Jacob has finals experience in the NCAA at least, with a hostile crowd. But you gotta give it to the LaSalle crowd yesterday, showing up, cheering, and more importantly, Vic, can you like tell me kung tama yung observation ko? At least 3/4 of the Araneta crowd was LaSalle. It felt like a home game.
Yes.
It felt like a home
Totoo.
game.
Totoo.
And absolute credit to NU for going toe to toe to the Green Archers here.